word from the nation's top scientists on the zombie virus that appeared just 2 weeks ago. Be advised that if an infected becomes hostile, the only way to harm them is to shoot them in the head. They released information saying that the symptoms to watch for are aggression, foaming from the mouth, deterioration of motor skills, and an unbelievable hunger.
Sa di inasang pagkakataon at sa di inasang panahon ay di umano ay may isang sakit na kumakalat ngayon na tinatawag na PD outbreak. PD outbreak or mas kilala bilang Parkinson's disease ay isang sakit sa utak na kung saan lumulubha ang kalagayan ng kanyang substansya negra at nigrostriated pathway. Ang pinakaunang sintomas na makikita mo sa isang Parkinson's disease ay ang estado ng kanyang postura. Isang sakit na giniginaw at hindi makagalaw, hinihirapan ang pusong pinipilit ay ikaw.
Boy, girl! Just follow my lead. Don't you dare hurt my children! Magbiya na ako, ha? Ayaw dyan magbiya na ako. Girl, you listen to me, okay? We have to go to the rehab center so that you will be treated. Good boy. Okay. After this, we have to put our blindfolds on, okay? Do not take your blindfolds off, okay? If you hear something, just ignore it, okay? Okay, put your blindfolds on. Hello? Is anyone there? Please, let us in!
Who's there?
Please, just take my children.
Get in.
Who are you? Please? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please, no, you have to listen. My children, they need to be treated.
Hey, you're safe now. All right. Well, we'll see what we can do. Okay? So come.
Okay, ma'am, so I want you to bring your hand at the back of your head. Okay, so on doing this, I want you to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. I want you to roll your shoulders forward and backward, backward. Bring your shoulders forward. Now make a fist, open. Make a fist, open. I want you to bend your body towards your right side. Now to the left side. Back to the right. Left. I want you to clasp your elbow. Okay, so let's rotate to your right. Left. Right. Left. Now, ma'am, let's do some marching exercise. Start with your right foot. Right, left, higher, right, left, right, left.
I want you to lift your buttocks off the plinth, and while you're lifting it, I'll be adding resistance to it. So, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I want you to hold this position for 3 seconds. Count with me. 3, 2, 1, and then let me push it slowly down the plinth.
Okay, miss, we're gonna do a quick exercise. Okay, the motion is gonna look like this. You're gonna roll and pull back. Okay, we're gonna push forward, bend, and pull up. Can you pull up for me? Pull, roll up. There you go. Turn your hands out, inward a little bit. Okay, bring it back down. Okay, one more. Okay, okay, bring it back down. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of resistance. Okay, okay, up, all the way up. Okay, and push, bring it back down. There you go, same position. Good job. Okay, miss, we're gonna test your balance. Okay, I want you to walk forward. Okay, I'm gonna push you. Oh, be careful. Good job. Okay, you okay, miss? Keep walking. Keep walking.
Ma'am, I'm going to be pushing you to the left. Don't let me push you there, okay? Ready? Go. Alright, rest. Okay, now I'm gonna push you to the other side. Don't let me push you. Okay, rest. Alright, so now I'm gonna push you forward. Don't let me, okay? And I'm gonna push you back. Okay, so I want you to clasp your hands together. Okay, now I want you to scoot forward in your chair. Okay, very good. Now I want you to bring your feet backwards. Right there, okay? Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to rock your body so you'll have momentum, okay? So we'll do this for 3 seconds, and when I say 3, you're going to lift yourself up, okay? All right, so let's try it. 1, 2, 3. All right.
So, ma'am, I want you to move your feet apart. And then I want you to move forward as I add resistance, okay? Forward, backward, forward, and backward. Okay. Okay, so ma'am, I want you to step your right foot forward. And then I want you to move forward as I add resistance. Okay, move forward, and then backward. Forward, and backward. So first, I want you to step on your right foot forward, and then wait for my signal to go on. And then next, left, and then right, then left, right.
I want you to turn your back, face the plinth. Okay, sir, so I want you to lift this leg backward. Okay, as far as you can, sir. Okay, as far as you can. Okay, down. Okay, lift this leg backward as far as you can. Okay. Okay, down. So right now, I want you to transfer or shift your body weight towards your right. Okay, then towards your left. Forward. Backward. I want you to cross both of your arms forward and place both of your hands on the opposite sides of your body. So next thing is you're going to stretch out your hand and straighten your elbows towards the ceiling like this. Okay, that. So we're going to do that again with an emphasis on the straightening of your back. Okay, so the count of 3, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
So, ma'am, I want you to look straight, and I want you to bring your weight on your right foot as you step on it, and a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I want you to do it with your left. 1, 2, 3. And again on your right. 1, 2, 3.
Having our marching exercise, so right, left, put your heel to your knees, upward, downward, and then opposite, upward, downward. So lean forward, hold it for 3 seconds, and then back. And then now we'll have our lateral leaning exercise. So let's lean to your right, hold it for 3 seconds, and then back. The opposite side, 3 seconds, and back. Rotate to your right, hold for 3 seconds, then back. And then the opposite side, 3 seconds, and then back. Breathing exercise. So as you breathe out, I'll be stretching your neck muscles. So breathe in, And then breathe out. And then to the opposite side, breathe out. Yeah.
That sucks.